I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only tuna pasta salad recipe you'll ever need. First, cook 12 ounces of your favorite small pasta, like elbow macaroni or shells, according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and rinse it with cold water. This step is crucial to stop the cooking process and prevent the pasta from clumping together, ensuring a delightful texture in your salad. Next, let's prepare our key ingredients. You'll need 2 5-ounce cans of good quality albacore tuna, well drained to avoid excess moisture. Then, finely chop about 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These add a wonderful crunch and a bit of zing. Don't forget 1/4 cup of sweet pickle relish for that essential tangy sweetness that truly elevates the flavor profile. Now for the creamy dressing that brings everything together. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard until smooth. Season this mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Finally, gently combine the cooled pasta, drained tuna, chopped vegetables, and the creamy dressing in a large bowl, ensuring everything is evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover your tuna pasta salad and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give it a gentle stir and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. This salad is perfect for picnics, potlucks, or a quick lunch. For easy meal prep and storage, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.